All right, welcome to the reviewer headquarters. I'm back in my favorite motel. Been here since November, well, early December. Not that bad. I mean, I actually kind of like it. It's got everything I need, and I got maid service. Um, I have to check out every 28 days. The law that says you can't have occupancy for 30 days and without being a tenant or something like that. You get tenant rights. And I'm in a hotel, even though I pay about $2,300, $2,300 a month on average to be here. Because if I want to live on the beach in the Pacific Coast Highway here in North County of San Diego, a block or so away from the beach, I would have to spend that much to live in a studio anyways. Look around, and then I'd have to sign a lease. I'd have to pay, an equal amount as a deposit. And I don't really want to do that. I plan on doing some traveling here this summer again, and I don't know. It might be time for me to finally move out of San Diego because the economy here is not all that great when it comes to how much money you have to spend for your cost of living. So headquarters is here. I've got my coffee, my grinder, my coffee grinder set up. Got a couple of ice boxes, refrigerator and microwave that I use as my kitchen. And this is my office. Got it set up with listening to radio and watching YouTube. YouTube's great. Got my printer here. Got my file cabinet. Got my receipts for doing my taxes. Yeah, this is where I live. This is the world headquarters for Reviewer for the time being. How do you like where you live? Looks like the frame rate issue is back again. It popped up when I tried to format the last video in Resolve. So now I have to figure it out. I did the formatting in Premiere, and this time I got the error message in Premiere telling me that I needed to see about changing that. So I accepted the offer, and this time Premiere fixed it. And this happened after DaVinci told me there was an update. I got a message saying that there was an update that I needed to look at, and I clicked accept. DaVinci updated, and then it wasn't working afterwards. So the update reversed the fix, it looks like. I don't know. This might be an ongoing issue. I want to figure out some way to get a workaround in case it doesn't want to do it automatically, whatever video processing app I'm using.